Hello, I'm Tony Pierce. Welcome to this website, whether you're a frequent visitor or you've just landed on this page for the first time. You might be intrigued by the title, Light for the Last Days. The Bible's wide beam casts light on the nature of humanity and the character of God. It covers life's beginnings, man's fall from perfection, and mercifully the working out of God's rescue plan, leading ultimately to heaven for those who accept it. It doesn't leave us in the dark either about this planet's future, and describes a period it calls the last days, not to be confused with the end of the world. These last days refer to a perilous but limited period of time immediately before the return of Jesus, when the present era draws to a close, with God intervening to prevent the loss of all life on earth. The burning question remains, are these last days fast approaching? Can we already see the stage being set for a calamitous series of events foreseen by the Bible's prophets that involve all nations but increasingly focus on Jerusalem? Without date setting, this whole website is dedicated to answering this question. We also publish a number of books that deal with this subject in depth and provide a booklet called What is the World Heading For?, which spells out with reference to Scripture many clear trends in listing these 10 signs of the second coming of Christ. 1. The rebirth of Israel and the battle for Jerusalem. 2. Globalization and world government. 3. Increase of wars and conflict. 4. Violence everywhere. 5. Sexual immorality. 6. Natural disasters and the environment. 7. Increase in technology. 8. False prophets and messiahs. 9. Attacks on the faith and persecution of Christians. 10. The spread of the gospel. There are over 150 titles on this website that cover all these topics, and because today the world scene is changing so rapidly, every month we highlight key issues in the article called Signs of the Times, and in the hour-long This Month in Prophecy recording, both freely available on this site. So I invite you to explore its pages, keeping in mind the promise of Jesus: when these things begin to happen, look up and lift up your heads, because your redemption draws near. God bless you, and don't forget to come back next month for the latest updates.